Hello everyone, I will give you an introduction of our new platform. It was officially launched on January 24th, 2019. Upgraded on the basis of the old platform, it applies CNKI's latest technologies of intelligent search, online first publishing, enhanced publishing, and methodological visualization analysis, which will greatly enhance users' search efficiency and use experience. Just like the old platform, the new platform still can be switched between 3 languages: Simple Chinese, Traditional Chinese, and English. Next, I will give you a demo on how to use the new platform based on the English version. First, let's have a look at the homepage. The homepage of the new platform is divided into 5 parts: title bar, search bar, products section, news section, and the information area at the bottom. The title bar at the top of the page includes 6 portals, which are old version, mobile app, products and services, news, support center, and international card. Click mobile app and enter the download page of CNKI Express, which offers information service based on mobile publishing. On the top right of the page, it offers download option, user help, FNQ entry. Any download and use questions and answers can be found here. The page displays a brief introduction of this product to help you quickly understand the content of the product as well as its function. Products and Service page integrates the introductions of all literature service and software products provided by CNKI, such as literature databases, subject databases, English resources, data and statistics, and software and services. In the news section, you can get to know the market news, market events, including our promotion activities, and Voice of CNKI. You can also enter the news portal through the news section at the bottom of the page. Support Center provides user guide, FNQ, download center, product trials, feedback, and contact us. The user guide explains the features and the usage of the platform in detail to help you quickly get familiar with the use of the platform. FNQ collects all the problems that users often encounter during use to help you solve your confusions during use. The Download Center provides CAG Reader download options. In the Product Trials page, you can apply a product trial by filling out the trial application sheet. If you run into any problems when using our products, you can send your feedback to let us know, or you can contact us to explain your problems to us. If you need to purchase international card, you can click into international card page to get more information about the card purchasing and using guide. To facilitate your search experience, the new platform retains the search bar at the top of the page and enhances the search function. You can perform literature search, knowledge element search, and citation search based on your search needs. And you can also set search terms to improve your search accuracy. The new platform has further teased out its products based on the product content, which is divided into 5 sections. There are subject databases, literature databases, English resources, data and statistics, and software and services. There is a specific subdivision of each section, so you can select any database to view the content under the database. Take CNKI eBooks under the Books section, for example. Click and get into CNKI eBooks page. You can browse and download the resources in this page. At the bottom of this page, you can get more information about CNKI. You can also follow our official social media accounts to know more about our products and news. Then I will show you how to quickly find the literature you need. First step, log in. Click Login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password to log in. If your institution has already subscribed our products and your computer's IP address is in the institution's IP list, you will automatically log in. If you do not log in, you can only use the search and browser functions but cannot download the full text. Second step, search. Literature search section can satisfy your different search needs. You can set search items, choose different literature types for cross-database search or single database search. Or you can click Advanced Search or Publication Search to enter the database's search page. If you want to quickly get the results, you can directly input your search term or phrase in the search bar under the default search item of subject, such as plant, to turn to search results page. Third step, download or online reading. On this page, choose your interested article, click the title to turn to article page. You can choose HTML online reading or download the article in CAJ or PDF format to further read and make research on your own devices. We also conducted demo videos on search function, navigation function, and search result analysis function to help you get more detailed information of our new platform. Thanks for